Normally when I make this particular recipe, I use 2 kilos of mince so that I can divide it all up into the different portions that I use to make all the other different dishes, which I've just got a few modifications to turn them into wonderful dishes. So it's a very, very time-saving way of cooking. But for this video, I'm going to show you a small portion in case you don't want to cook big portions to make other dishes like Bolognaise or Lasagne, Moussaka, cottage pies, or anything like that. For this dish, I'm using 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and 2 small carrots. And I'm just going to peel them and cut them up and grate the carrots. I'm using an electric grater and I'm using the larger size of the graters. I've got all my ingredients prepared. I'm going to be using Italian herbs and 1 beef stock cube as well. I'm using 500 grams of mincemeat, and this is just the regular one. So this is the cheaper one of all the mincemeats. So there you have the base of the mincemeat sauce that can be adapted to make many, many different dishes. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.